guys, we are back with another one, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my beautiful finger coils. And right here I'm just showing you the length of my hair. It is growing and glowing, okay? So first off, we start with some freshly washed hair. This is my hair straight out the shower. It dried a little bit, which is why it's so shrunken up. The products that I will be using today are Design Essentials Coconut and Mone't Deep Moisturizing Milk Souffle, Eden Body Work Defining Curl Cream, Africa's Best Hair Lotion, and my favorite Mielle Strengthening Oil. So as you guys can see, the first step that I am completing is putting this oil on the entirety of my scalp and massaging it in. Massaging your scalp also stimulates hair growth. Next, I go in with this hair growth lotion and put it over my entire head. Fun fact, I've been using this product since I was like 10 and it's really not that expensive. Then I go in and finger part my hair. Putting it into sections helps me focus on one part at a time. Next, using my handy dandy spray bottle, I drench this entire section in water. I then detangle using my handy dandy dental brush, and I always start at the ends going to the roots. This prevents any breakage and prevents me from pulling on my hair. Next, I go in with my curl defining cream and put this over the entire section. You don't need a lot because this product is very, very, very thick. After that, using my hair milk, I go over that, put that in my hair too. And this is probably one of my favorite products to use in my hair, even when I'm doing braid outs, because it adds so much moisture into my hair. Like, it does wonders, guys. My hair is pretty dry all the time. It just does wonders. And after that, I go over the products that I've already put in with some oil. A lot of you may know this as the LOC method, and this is used to lock in any moisture in your hair. After adding more water, we're going to get into the fun part, the finger coiling. So I take one section at a time and just take my finger and just wrap the hair around my finger like so. Just keep on wrapping it from the root to the end, just like that. And as you can see, it creates a very, very pretty curl. It's beautiful. This is off topic, but guys, do you see how the back of my hair has like baby hairs on the back? That is so cute. I promise y'all I got a kitchen too, but that is just really cute, and I just had to point that out. Like when we're finished, we're just gonna let that bad boy dry, and I'm just gonna repeat the same steps over my entire head. At first, this is gonna go in regular speed, just showing you guys each of the steps that I'm doing repeatedly. And towards the middle, I'm gonna skip over some things and just show you guys what it looks like in the end and when I get to the last sections of my hair. I then use these hair clips to separate the completed parts from the parts that have not been completed. It also helps to lay down the roots of my hair and stop them from fizzing up really quickly. We are almost sort of kind of done with 1/3 of my head, but let's just focus on the difference. Do you see the before and after? It's beautiful, guys. Now that we are on the final section, I'm going to explain everything for you guys one more time. So the first step is to go over the section with water. Lots of water. Get this whole section wet, okay? And then we go in with the curl defining cream. You don't need a lot, just put over the entire section. Get it in there. Next, we're gonna brush it out with a dimmer brush, bottom to top. Remember that. After this step, I'm going to go in with my hair milk. Remember, I said this is my favorite product, guys. So yes, go buy some. After that, go over with some hair oil. And remember, this is the LOC method to help you lock in the moisture into your hair. I then put a clip in the front of my hair just to lay down those roots. I don't want the front of my hair being puffy, so I just put the clip in, and then I go in and finger coil piece by piece. This is the front, so it needs to be perfect, okay? Get into it, how defined those curls are. Now we just have to wait until it dries and see what it looks like. Now that my hair is fully dry, I know I look crazy, but we're gonna fix that right now, right now. So I have to go in with my edge control. I really wish they sold bigger containers of these, but when it comes in this little thing. But yeah, I put edge gel over my entire edges, and I just swoop the front of my hair, the wavy hairs, into the rest of my hair. And now I'm just gonna fluff out everything else until it is my desired look. And yeah, it's really cute, guys. The curls are really, really cute. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, down below. Bye guys.